The calendar has already marked the beginning of autumn, but the lingering heat of summer still remains, and the coolness of autumn is still far away. In a time without air conditioning, people used what they could see, hear, and feel, along with the wisdom found in daily life, to invent various ways to cool off. For instance, splashing water and taking cold showers were customs that began during the Edo period. Wind chimes play a tinkling melody in the gentle breeze, inviting people to take leisurely naps on tatami mats. Then, in the evening, as the heat that has simmered throughout the day gradually softens, enjoying a beer to cool down becomes one of the pleasures of summer. Looking up to see an airplane streaking across the blue sky, the mind is filled with thoughts of unvisited lands and longed-for hometowns. The long holidays of summer, especially, can ignite a desire to travel. The fun begins in the planning stage, arranging the itinerary, considering what to wear on the trip. When packing, it's important to organize items by purpose and place them in storage bags, so that nothing gets lost inside the suitcase. Convenient travel items, such as various sizes of storage bags and folding slippers, are key. From storage bags to sunglasses, orderly travel accessories are the first step towards a convenient journey. In Japan, Obon is a significant festival celebrated in August. It's an annual Buddhist tradition that honors ancestors, as it's believed that during Obon, their spirits briefly return to the mortal world to visit their families. Lanterns are traditionally displayed outside homes to lead the way for these spirits, while Obon dances, known as Bon Odori, are showcased. As the festival concludes, lanterns are released into bodies of water, guiding the spirits back to their realm. The specific customs observed can vary greatly across different regions. Whispers of autumn. August heat begins to wane. Leaves hint at their turn.